Hello, and welcome to this Price of Job tutorial. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the new Loft Hatch Carpentry module. To access the Loft Hatch module, first go to the Modules toolbar here in the top, and select the Carpentry category. And then select Loft Hatch, and create the module. Then here in the right-hand pane, we can go to the Loft Hatch main stage, and select the quantity of loft hatches that we'll require, as well as the number of ladders, and the number of openings. And given these specifications, Price of Job will automatically calculate a rough estimate based on the default settings. First, we can take a look at the Loft Hatch stage here, and by using the drop-down menu here, we can select from a variety of materials in the Price of Job library, or we can choose either supplied by client or set an allowance. In this case, we'll select an insulated loft access door. And Price of Job automatically calculates approximately 2 labor hours to install this hatch, but we can go ahead and override that if we feel it's necessary. So let's change that to 4 hours for a half day. And we notice here in the main estimate pane that we have estimates for the loft hatch, loft ladder, and joists and trimmers. And we can show all of those estimates together or use the toggle arrows here to toggle between each of these stages individually. Or show all. Here in the bottom of the stage, we have a Show Resources button that lets us focus in directly on the loft hatch estimate only. Let's set that back to all. And we also have a move icon here that we can click and drag to reorganize our workspace. We'll leave loft hatch at the top for now though. Next, let's take a look at the loft ladder stage. And here we can use the drop-down menu to select the materials or set supplied by client or an allowance. In this case, we will select the 12 tread aluminum 3 section. And again, Price of Job estimates the labor hours to be approximately 1.5, and we can round that to our preference. Let's say that will take a full 2 hours. And then the joists and trimmers stage, we can go ahead and select the length, currently set by default to 4.8 meters, and then choose the dimensions of our joists here. We'll leave this set at 47 by 95. And adjust the quantity as needed. Here we might want to add 1 extra board. And then we can specify our double trimmer hangers. There's a variety of materials here in the Price of Job library. We'll leave this set at 100 by 250 millimeters. And specify the quantity. And we'll pick up 1 extra hanger just for insurance. And as well for rafter hangers, again, we can specify the material. We'll leave that set at default. And again, pick up 1 extra for insurance. And as we've been filling in our details, Price of Job has been automatically generating a nicely written description for all the materials and labor, and the estimate has been automatically calculating all the material and labor costs, itemized per unit. If you prefer to show these as hourly estimates, instead of itemized costs, you can go to the project filter here in the top left and select labor in hours, and all of your labor will show as hourly estimates. If you prefer to show your customer itemized costs, you can deselect labor in hours, close your filter, and now all the labor is calculated itemized per task. And that is how to use the Loft Hatch module. Thank you for using Price of Job.